us see the butt weld. What is meant by butt weld? Butt weld is a type of a weld when two members are connected together in a same plane or in a same or near to near in a same plane is called as butt weld. When a structural element are connected in a same plane is called as butt weld. For example, I am having a flat plate 1, flat plate 2. So, I need to connect them to form a single flat. So, as per our butt weld, what is my butt weld? The two structural elements are connected in the same plane. So, plate 1 and plate 2 are in same plane. When they are connected in the same plane, we get weld here. This type of weld is called as butt weld. This type of weld is called as butt weld. We can also draw this butt weld in this form also. This is also an example for your butt weld. The two members or elements connected together in a same plane is called a butt weld. So, let us see the types of butt welds. We have square weld. The first one is square weld. See, this is square weld. The second one is V weld. V. So, you are having only single V. V. The weld V weld. And here is double V. Double V weld. And this one is U weld. U means it is in the form of this shape U. This is called as U weld. If you are having two U's means double U, means will be in this shape. So, double U weld. So, what is a butt weld? When two structural elements are connected in the same plane, which leads to formation of butt weld. So, butt welds are of few types as follows: square weld, V weld, double V weld, U weld and double U weld, etc. Now, let us discuss about fillet welds. So, what is meant by fillet welds? Fillet welds are nothing but when the two structural members or elements overlap each other. For example, this is a structural member and this is also a structural member. When this is overlapping here, if we do welding here, this is known as fillet weld. So, let me show the fillet weld. So, what is meant by fillet weld? When two structural elements or members overlaps each other, leads to the formation of fillet welds. For example, we are having a member structural element 1, one more structural element 2, they overlap here. This is structural element 2. If it does a weld here, this type of weld is known as fillet weld. This type of the weld is known as fillet weld. So, this is called as leg of the weld. This section is called leg of the weld, and even this section is also called as leg of the weld. So, what is fillet weld? Fillet weld is nothing but when the two structural elements or members overlap each other, leads to the formation of your fillet welds. So, this is the example for your fillet welds. So what are the different types of fillet welds we are having? There are 3 types, mostly longitudinal fillet welds, intermittent fillet welds, the last one is transverse fillet welds. Transverse fillet welds. So fillet welds are of 3 types. See here, longitudinal fillet welds. So here the 2 plates, plate 1 and plate 2 overlapping each other, and the weld section is forming here. This is known as welding. Here the fillet weld is here. And the 2 flat plates overlap each other. This in a longitudinal direction leads to the formation of longitudinal fillet welds. Here, see, this flat plate is perpendicular to this plate, so this is transverse in direction, though the welding will be done in this direction here. So this type of fillet welds are called as transverse fillet welds. So this type of fillet welds are directly joined in the form of T direction. This is called as intermediate fillet welds, and the welds will be coming here. These 2 are the fillet welds. This complete section in the breadth-wise will get the weld, whereas in length-wise will get the weld. This is called as longitudinal fillet weld, this is intermittent fillet welds, and that is transverse fillet welds. So what is meant by fillet welds? Fillet welds are nothing but when the 2 structural elements are joined or overlapped together leads to the formation of fillet welds.